How to fix Signal private messenger app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to this new video of how to guide. If you're also having issues with your Signal application, let me show you a couple of ways that you can fix this issue. Now before I move on to this video, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. Now there are a couple of things that you can try out. Whether your app is not opening or your messages are not being sent. The first thing that you can do is try to update the app of Signal. If you have an outdated version of the application, this may be causing that issue. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Signal. And if there are any new updates, you can just tap on update and update your app. Updating apps helps to fix these kind of glitches which may be causing the issue. The second thing that you can do in this case is open up the settings of your phone, or you can directly tap and hold the app of Signal. So just tap and hold and you'll have an option of app info. Just tap on this option and you'll directly be taken to the settings of your device for the Signal app. Now from here what you can do is tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Sometimes when caches pile up, these minor issues happen. So once you clear the cache, the other thing that you can also do is tap on clear data again and clear all the data. Once you do this, you will be logged out of your Signal app and you'll again need to log in with your phone number. Once you have done these steps, try logging in with your phone number again and try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not, the last thing that you can do is completely remove Signal app from your phone. So just uninstall the app from your phone and then again reinstall and log in. So this is also a great way to clear out glitches which may be causing this issue. So once you do these couple of steps, your problem of Signal app not working should be fixed. So if this video helped to fix your problem, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.